Once again, oh my gosh, this is crazy, crazy. I walked in my house and I turned it into over now. Oh yeah, obviously driver's license. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I have all these shenanigans right here. There is my driver's license right here. Okay, and yeah, because we didn't do my name, we did it by you can check out. Yeah, number. Right. Yes, I do. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I get to do. Oh my gosh. This is oh wait, that's not it. Really? One second, I got it. Take your time. You know what? You can pay without the ticket. Who told you that? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna just run and see if I have the ticket right now. So take your time.
Ah.